This video is now being remade from its original product. Sorry for the inconvenience. Alright, you guys, I see you guys got your pencils out, and you guys are currently sketching what character I'm drawing today. We're gonna draw the first boss type yokai that you fight in the original Yokai Watch game. That's right, folks. We're gonna draw slimanmander. As we are all familiar with this yokai, slimanmander is a boss type yokai, and he's from the Shady tribe. As we all are familiar with the mysterious tribe yokai and all of its mysterious... Hold on, let me just find his bio. Here it is. Slimanmander hides his eye in one of his 3 mouths so that enemies have a hard time targeting that sensitive spot. Okay, so that's the information on slimanmander. Okay, alright, so do you guys want to find out which one of slimanmander's mouths that it's hiding in? I hope you guys are excited, because we're going to be drawing such a powerful beast. Alright, to draw slimanmander, we must start with the head, the eye, up here. Start with the eye. Okay. Now we just draw the line here. Draw another down here. Now, these are slimanmander's other eyes. Ones that look like his real ones, but they're actually eyes that intimidate its prey. To make it look like that it's staring at you. There we go. Die. There we go. There's his other eye. Now we just draw slimanmander's third head. We just draw slimanmander's third head. I don't know why, but in the last video, I made the character's head too small. I feel like I messed up big time. If this character's face is too small, I'm starting this video over. There we go. Where did you guys put it? There we go. Right. Now we just draw Slimander's other tail. If you remember that clip from the Yokai Watch game, you remember that Venoct managed to easily defeat Slimanmander with one attack, Octosnake. But then, Slimanmander came back. And then after that, he was defeated again. And then he made a return in Yokai Watch Fleshy Souls and Bony Spirits. Okay. And here's the good parts about Slimanmander. In the game, you get to befriend him. The same goes for SP Snaggerjag and Sproik. The three of them are now befriendable bosses. Along with the Infinite Inferno's yokai, Wobblewalk. Yeah, but we get to go back in time before that Wobblewalk ever went inside the Infinite Inferno, and you get to befriend him, changing the past and making sure you get to befriend Wobblewalk before he went inside the Infinite Inferno. I'll draw Wobblewalk in another episode real soon. Okay. And there we go. That is how you draw Slimanmander. Pretty impressive, huh? Okay, so, it's pretty impressive for a yokai. I managed to get Slimanmander drawn up, and now he's right here. That's how you... Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. See y'all all soon!